Alright, so today I'm gonna show you how to do this logo in Illustrator. It's a pretty easy logo to do, so yeah, here we go. I'm just gonna put the original logo here. So the first thing you're gonna do is to select the tool, text tool, and you're gonna write down what you want. So I'm just gonna go with Supreme. I'm actually pretty sorry for the microphone, which is not pretty good, but you can hear my keyboard, and so I'm sorry for this. I just noticed it in the previous tutorial, so yeah. We're gonna increase the size a bit so it's bigger, a bit bigger. Alright, we're gonna put it in the center. And the first thing is to change the font, because Supreme use a special font which is Futura. Italics Futura, so yeah. It's a font that you probably already have on your computer, so not really necessary to download it online. As you can see, there is a little problem between these two fonts, that there is a kerning. The kerning is not the same, so we're just gonna reduce it by going here in the character um, view and just uh, make it a little less bigger. So I'm just gonna go with, I don't know, 100 maybe, minus 100, because we want it to be, yeah, it's a little too big, too less, excuse me. I'm not English, so I just apologize for my bad English, but yeah. I'll go with 90. For this, it's totally depend of the size of your text, because it's gonna change by what size of text you take probably. So yeah. Then we're just gonna expand the text. So before doing this, you're gonna be sure that you use the text, or you could just create a duplicate it to have a kind of backup. But yeah. So we're gonna just expand it, object, and expand here. Click OK, and we got this. So now you're gonna go in the transform view here, and you're gonna remember these values approximately. They don't need to be perfect, but yeah. And you're just gonna write them down. You're gonna go in the toolbox, in the rectangle tool, and you're gonna just click and retype the exact same values as it's written here. So yeah. Alright, here we go. And as you can see, we got the same side of the box. So the first thing we're gonna do is to put it in the background, because as you can see, the red is in the background, the text, and we're gonna put it in the center. So yeah. Alright. Is it centerized? Yeah, okay. That's my problem. Alright. Then we're gonna change the color. So the red that Supreme uses is pretty basic as well of the font. It's just a basic red. It's kind of funny to have so rich brand that have such basic uh, logo. And then you're gonna put the text in white here. Alright, so now we got something that looks quite the same, but there is a problem, is the size of the box in the background should be not the same of the side of the text. So in order to change that, you would just go and click on the rectangle in the layers, and just click on Alt and Shift at the same time, and just make it a little bigger like this. And then when it's good on the size here, you're just gonna do the same with just hold this time, because if you hold shift right now, it will change the proportion, it will keep the proportions, but we don't want this. So just want to change this like this. So just hold Alt, and in order to do this, you just make it a little bigger. As you can see, the spacing here is a little bigger than this one here. So yeah, maybe a little bit. Yeah. Alright. And then once you get that, you basically have the Supreme logo. So you can write down whatever you want, but just remember to write whatever you want before expanding the text. And yeah, and then you have it. So you can just group it everything, and then you can move it as you want. And you have the Supreme logo ready to print or whatever you want. So yeah, I hope you liked this tutorial. If you liked it, please leave a like, subscribe, and tell me if you want me to explain you how to make one specific logo. So in the comments below. So yeah, thank you. Thanks for watching.